Hey everyone, this is Elaine at Larkin Lane Creations. Welcome back, welcome back. I'm glad to see everyone here with me today. I wanted to show you a find. Now this I got from an auction. Now I don't know about in your area, but in my area we have auctions where you can go and preview the items, and then at a certain day and a certain time it becomes an online auction. And normally they take maybe a couple of hours. They put up 2-3 items like every 3 minutes. And it's pretty cool. But it is good to go and preview ahead of time so you can absolutely be sure what you've gotten. I know in my case I've gotten some like plastic containers of all kinds of dishes and stuff. I would have seen something in the container like a bowl that I really liked, had no idea what was underneath of it, so I was always pleasantly surprised of the things that are in there. But in this case I knew what it was. It was 350 first day of issuance stamps on these envelopes and such. And what that means is that this stamp about Alfred E. Smith was issued on November 26th, 1945. So in this case, this one happened to be mailed to an individual. I'm beginning to believe that there must have been some kind of, I don't want to say necessarily club, but some sort of, I don't know, special thing that the post office had where you could sign up for first day of issuance stamps. So anyway, as I said, I got 350 of them. I got them at an incredible deal. I thought they would be great to use in vintage journals. Now you could put them in the pockets of the journal. You could use them as a tip-in. I just thought they were really neat. And like for instance, this is the 100th anniversary of Texas statehood. This one was postmarked in postmarked in Austin, Texas, December 29th, 1945. And that was the stamp about Texas. And then in many cases they did a special envelope as well. As I said, I think they are very, very cool. Now the ones that I have, now this one is not first date of issuance, but this is postmarked 1909. I'm sure that's why the person from the estate sale kept that. But they are mostly from the 1940s up until I think the most recent one I have is like 1976. Now this one is the 150th anniversary of Tennessee's admission to the Union, stamped in Nashville, Tennessee, June 1st, 1946. One thing that I did notice through a lot of these is that you can see the glue marks where the envelope had been glued together. It is definitely aged on the envelope and browned the envelope in many cases. Some of them also have cardboard inside of them or a unique kind of paper inside of them. This one is the 100th anniversary of Iowa becoming a state, 1946, August the 3rd, and it was stamped in Iowa City, Iowa. So again, I just think that they are really cool. This one I noticed, and I don't know what this is, maybe someone can tell me, but this is the card that was inside of this envelope. So some kind of octopus it looks like, and I don't know what the lettering means. But again, I thought that they would be great to use in aged journals. There is all kinds. There's this is the 100th anniversary of the Smithsonian Institute, and it was stamped in Washington, D.C. Now to me, this one is super cool. I love the Smithsonian. You can never get enough of the Smithsonian Institute. And there's plenty of them that are about individuals. Some of these people I do not know who they are. I will definitely get a history lesson when I start looking them up. Here's one about the Gettysburg Address, 85th anniversary, stamped in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, November 19th, 1948. Now this pile that I have right here, these are my duplicates. I have gone through them. I have put everything in date order. That's how I am. I guess a little OCD about it. This is the 50th anniversary of the trucking industry. Who knew? And it was stamped in Los Angeles, California, October 27th, 1953. Pretty cool. And you know, you can notice too that when they did the stamp, they pretty much did an envelope that, you know, showed off what they were celebrating. Here's the 300th anniversary of New York City. It was stamped in 1953, November 20th. So anyhow, I just wanted to share them with you. Again, there are just so many that are so different, and I don't know, I thought they were cool. Some of them do have addresses on them, typed, handwritten. I don't know if that was done at the post office. As I said, if these individuals were part of, you know, some kind of stamp collectors club or whatever, or were they actually used? But I don't know. I thought they were great to, as I said, use in the journals. So that's what I plan to do. But I did just want to take a few minutes today and share them with you and let you see. And they are like from every state through, you know, many years. See if I can find the one from this one here is 1962, and they are pretty colorful. And let's see here if I can see the one from 1976. Oh, nope, here we go. 1987 is the last one that I have. American Wildlife, first day of issuance. So anyway, as I said, I just wanted to reach out and share this with you. And you never know what you might find. Keep your eyes open, and you may think, what is she going to do with 350 of these? Well, I will share some. Again, like I said, you know, you can put a couple in journals and you know, I can give them as gifts, you know, inside of a little something where I know that someone does journals or is interested or a stamp collector or whatever. You know, I can get rid of them. And for the price that I paid, it won't be a problem to give many of them away. But as I said, you know, they're very cool. They do have age on them. But in my case, I feel that they are still in excellent condition, even with the glue marks on the envelopes. I just think that they are just, I don't know, a history lesson, I guess I would say. So thanks for stopping by, and please, I am trying to grow my channel. I'm pretty new at this. So if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. And I hope everyone has a great weekend. And again, thanks for coming by. Thank you. Bye.